Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, we have seen a U pattern is forming, and this is the particular level where we have seen a buy situation, which I have already explained in my previous videos. Okay, now this particular pattern is forming, so chances can be high above a level of 32.3. A further upside we can see. Okay, and if the price keep moving above this level, then we can see there will be a further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead, or if it goes below a level of 28.7, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, and then it can move towards a level of $27.7, and then there will be a probability of touching 26.3. Then there will be a zone breakout. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you look at the dollar index, you will see that the dollar index, after forming a swing at this particular level, okay, we have seen it has made a high of around 108.5, and after that it came down towards 107.8. so we can see if it started falling below a level of 107.8, it can touch a level of 107, and from there a bounce back can come. If that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 106 and then to a level of $106.1. okay, understand, if the price started sustaining above 107.2, that means if it is already above that level, it can go towards 108 to a level of 108.5, and then it can touch a level of 109 also. Okay, and but if the price started falling below 106.1, a probability of touching 105.5 will be there, and then to a level of 104.5, and then a further downfall. Okay, so you have to understand, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the silver price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the silver price will go up. This is what we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, okay, if you look at the silver chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular chart, we can see there is a U pattern is forming. Okay, and chances can be high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see, or if it sustained this level, we can see it can move above a level of 30.7, and if that sustain up, we can see it can cross a level of 30.7 to a level of 31, and from there a level of $31.9. okay, and once the price sustain above 31.9, we can see there will be a further upside. Okay, 31.5 is a strong level, so you have to understand that if the price keep moving over level of 30.7, it can cross a level of 31.5 and can go towards $31.9. And if it sustain above 31.5, we can see a level of 31.9 to a level of 32.4, and then it can go towards $33, and a probability of touching 33.8 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will go further upside, and it can touch a level of 34 also, and then it can make towards a level of $35, and then it can go further upside. So okay, you have to understand that once the price started sustaining over $32.3, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, but it has to move below a level of $32.3 or $4, then only we can see there will be a further fall. Okay, but if started sustaining above that level, we can see there will be a further upside towards 33.8 also, and then a further upside, then there will be a zone breakout. But if that didn't sustain and started falling below 28.5, a probability of going towards a level of 20 after 28.9, we can see a level of $28.5, and from there a level of 27.8 also, because there will be a zone breakout. So when there is a zone breakout, probability of moving further low will be there. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, if it started sustaining below that level, a probability of going towards 26.5 also will be there. Okay, and then a further fall towards 26. So understand, if it started going 32.3, a further upside. If it started falling